Hi there, it's Suzanne and Craig from Adventures of Empty Nesters. Welcome back to Cocktail Adventures. We are now in our 6th week, and we hope you have joined us for the other 5 because we've had a lot of fun sharing our favorite cocktail recipes, some travel history and some travel stories, as well as histories of the cocktails. And today we're going to do something real refreshing that we like to drink by the pool. And it was inspired by our friends Larry and Patty, and they live here in Southern California.
Right, so with that, to the learners, this will be in respect to you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So a gin and tonic is something that seems kind of mundane. You've heard it 100 times. We're going to do it a little bit differently in terms of the gin we're going to pick and the tonic water we're going to pick. So in most of these, we've been talking about the history of the spirit. The history of gin goes back to the year AD 70. So I'm going to spare you the 2 hours. I'll give you the what you need to know about this is that gin was a medicine back in the 1600s. Around the late 1600s, the idea of using gin as a cocktail became more prevalent in the Netherlands. And so that led to this. So what we do is...
Oh, should we show them the brand?
Yeah.
It's really cold. It's this Hendrick's
Summer Solstice.
Summer Solstice.
And what makes this unique is most gins are based upon juniper berries. The term gin is shortened from juniperus, which is a Latin word. If you look at this varietal right here, what makes it unique is Hendrick's Gin is only a 20-year-old company out of Scotland, but they make this particular gin with an infusion of Bulgarian rose and a special cucumber that their growers give them. And then this has a floral accent added to it to give it the summer solstice vibe. Okay. So what we do is we take, just to be safe, most cocktails are 2 to 3 ounces. I do 2.5 ounces of gin because if you're gonna have a second one, this will creep up on you.
Yeah,
Yeah, so do 2.5 of this, of gin, I should say. Once again, we keep all of our spirits in the freezer so that there's no problem with cold or with temperature.
Yes.
We love this particular tonic. You want to talk about that?
Fever Tree. Yeah, Fever Tree. You know, when we were growing up, what did we have? Canada Dry and Schweppes. But Fever Tree evidently has been around for like since 2007, which I'm kind of embarrassed because I didn't know anything about it. But this is the Mediterranean version. And so they use special fruit and herbs and flowers to make it this real crisp, delicate, flavored tonic. It's absolutely delicious if you haven't tried it. We love it. And then we have garnishes. We have little marigolds from our organic garden. And I'm going to give you the tiny one because I know you don't really care whether you have the flower.
So that's there for looks for me only. You can buy edible flowers at Whole Foods, which are great. And yes, but it does add a little bit of spice, I guess.
That's right. We like to, cheers to you.
Cheers to you.
We like to drink these outside in our little plastic tumblers because then there's no problem with breakage. And I hope you enjoy these cocktail adventures as much as we do because we'll be back again next week with another one. And let us know if you're drinking these because don't they look amazing?
Cheers.
Cheers.